Good morning. So it is 8 a.m. I'm editing this video and I realized I never did an intro for it. I look crazy. I'm very tired, but so yeah, this is a little aesthetic wash day. It's not a tutorial, probably. No, not a tutorial. It's literally just an aesthetic wash day for you guys. So enjoy. Your girl is having allergies like crazy. I'm headed home, but it's a straight shot, so it's fine. Okay, so I did do a video for y'all. Hopefully by the time I'm uploading this, that one is already up. If it is, then you already know I just washed my hair, did a deep conditioning treatment, retwisted it, braided it, like it was a lot. And I started doing that at like 6 p.m. Oh, wait, this should be a part of that video. Duh. Okay, so I don't need to, like, the whole intro was unnecessary because I'm gonna add this into the same video about my hair. So, like, that makes more sense. But anyway, I'm gonna say hey anyway. Hey, y'all. But yeah, so I washed it, conditioned it, retwisted it, braided it, and that is where we are now. I definitely didn't want to pay today. I mean, I definitely didn't want to pay this time, which I usually will do it. If I'm not too exhausted, I'll do it myself anyway. But it's pollen season, so I'm like majorly allergic to it. Pollen season is always my roughest season of the year, which actually sucks because my birthday is in the pollen season. My birthday is next month on the 19th. I'm about to be 21. Why did I do that? 21. But yeah, so I wanted to wash it and stuff so that it's not like bothering me. I wanted to get like I have to get like this scarf or something though, so I can like wrap it up. I haven't been out of the house since I did it though. I just went to an interview real quick, which I'm trying to figure out if it was good. I think it was good. It was fast, but that doesn't necessarily mean they didn't like me. It was just quick. But yeah, so anyway, yeah, so I washed it, retwisted, and braided it. Unfortunately, I think I braided it a little bit too tight, because woo, my head was on fire. I don't think it's like majorly tight, like tight enough to cause damage. I definitely don't think that. But it was a little bit too tight, but I had to, because I was retwisting it and putting it in the braids at the same time, because to me that's the most efficient way to do it. I'm not going to retwist it all and then go back and braid it, because then it's taking double the time. So I think I did do it a little bit too tight. Unfortunately, during the wash, if you all saw, my dye was coming out like crazy, which I guess is fine because it is a semi-permanent dye. But like, that don't mean your girl want to lose the dye. I think it's still looking pretty vibrant though. I thought it would turn green. Some of them did a little bit turn like a lighter blue, and some of the purple turned a lighter purple, but it is what it is. I'm just gonna have to dye it again. And I probably will, because I'm getting tired of this color anyway. And then I'll probably keep these in, because that was yesterday. That was day before yesterday I put these in. So I will probably keep these in for like another 4 or 5 days and then take them out. Actually, you know what? I haven't even seen my color. Yeah, no, my color still looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see it good, but it still looks pretty good. And you could tell my hair grew, because y'all remember when I used to do these, they used to be short, but they're actually cute. I wore them to the interview. I did put them, like, pull them back though, because I didn't want to look, I don't know, unkempt, which I shouldn't be because they were black too. But anyway, so I'm gonna keep these in. Oh, and I had to oil it too, of course, but I'm gonna keep these in, then I'm gonna take them out. They'll be curly. Unfortunately, since I didn't interlock this time, because y'all know now, lately I have been interlocking, but this time I did not interlock because I don't feel comfortable doing it on my own hair. I interlock AJ's hair, but his is short, and plus I can see his head. I don't feel comfortable interlocking mine though, because I mean, like, dang, how'd I get stuck behind this truck? But yeah, I don't feel comfortable interlocking mine because I can't really see my hair like that, so it really doesn't even make sense. So this probably won't even last as long, unfortunately, because y'all already know, like, them retwists, you be sweating them out quickly too. I know I don't look like appropriate interview clothes, but they told me to wear scrubs because it's a medical job. But anyway, so I guess that's pretty much the update. I probably will dye it again soon, take these braids out. They're very tight. I guess that's it. I just want to give y'all like an overview of what I did and where we're at with it right now. But yeah, so now the dump truck that I was stuck behind is now passing me, because now this lane is going slow. I'm not in a rush anyway. I'm just gonna go home, chill, because my asthma is bothering me, take my treatments, and I'll probably come back out and do some DoorDash or Instacart or whatever. Grubhub has been paying really well, okay? I made like 60 bucks on there in an hour, so they have been paying really well. Anyway, I got a lot of content coming for y'all soon, because I have added to my list of content I want to make. So I am going to be getting back on it. Don't quote me though, because you know I be saying that a lot. Yeah, this ain't gonna work. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. If you made it this far into the video, you're a real one. If you made it this far, I want to know. Comment penny. Comment penny below, like the coin penny below if you made it this far. I'm gonna start giving y'all like shout outs in my videos too, because some of y'all are so loyal, like it's wild. But anyway, thank you for watching, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Let me give y'all a good view. I'm at a red light, promise, of my hair. It looks like a bob. It's cute. It wasn't cute the first day though because it was stiff, but now it's like framing my face like all cute. Hi. But yeah, okay, bye.